In this video, I'll show you how to open the gas cap of your Nissan car. So this works with Altima, Sentra, and probably many other models. Go in the driver footwell, and on the left side, you're gonna see one of the lever with a gas pump. Simply pull on it fully just to make sure that it releases. You can even do it twice, and hopefully your cable is not rusted out. Let's go out to the gas cap. It will be slightly open. Just need to open like this, unscrew it counterclockwise, and then don't let this sit on the paint of your car with gas dripping on it. You see it has a small cable and you can let it rest, you see, on the gas cap itself. And to put it back, you just need to screw it until you hear at least one click, and then close the door. It will lock, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.